My name is Noraina Shafini binti Muhammad Rizwan. My metric number is DCE 182029.
Hi, my name is Siti Nadira. My metric number is DCE 182021.
Hi, my name is Fikra binti Mazai. My metric number is DCE 182025.
Hi, my name is Nur Izdusna. My metric number is DCE 182027.
Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Fikra binti Mawardi. My metric number is DCE 181081.
In this world, there are many oceans. The ocean covers 70% of our lands, and Atlantic Ocean and Indian Ocean are the largest ocean in this world. There are many differences between Atlantic Ocean and Indian Ocean, such as depth, surface, and temperature.
So guys, the first point is about the deepest point of Atlantic and Indian Ocean. The Atlantic Ocean is the second largest of the world oceans. The average depth is 3,646 meters, and the maximum depth, the Milwaukee Deep in the Puerto Rico Trench, is 8,486 meters. Alright, for the Indian Ocean is the third largest ocean in the world. The deepest point in the Indian Ocean is in the Java Trench near the Sunda Islands in the east. 7,500 meters deep. The average depth is 3,890 meters. There are several species of fish that live in the Indian Ocean. These include the whale shark, great hammerhead, and Indian sardine oil, and also milkfish. For the Atlantic Ocean, species that live in the Atlantic Ocean is black sea bass, black tip shark, and goblin shark. Lastly, in the technical diving, a depth below about 60 meters, which is 200 feet, where hypoxic breathing gas become necessary to avoid oxygen toxicity, may be considered a deep dive.
Right. Second point is there are differences area between the Atlantic Ocean and the Indian Ocean. So, for the Atlantic Ocean it's covered approximately 20% of Earth area and about 29% of its water surface area. It's separated the old world for the new world. Okay, the Atlantic Ocean occupies an elongated S-shaped basin extending longitudinally between Europe and Africa to the east, and then the Americas to the west. So total surface of the Atlantic is 106.4 million kilometers. Next, for the Indian Ocean is the third largest of the world oceanic division, covering 70.560 kilometers or 19.8% of the water on the Earth's surface. It is bounded by Asia on the north, on the west by African, on the west by Australian, and on the south by the Southern Ocean, or depending on definition by Antarctica. So the total surface of the Indian Ocean is 68.556 kilometers.
Lastly, one of the differences between Atlantic Ocean and Indian Ocean is the temperature. Indian Ocean is warmer than Atlantic Ocean. Range the temperature of the Atlantic Ocean is between 26 degrees Fahrenheit to 86 degrees Fahrenheit, while the Indian Ocean is about 72 degrees Fahrenheit and 82 degrees Fahrenheit.
To conclude, there are various differences about Atlantic Ocean and Indian Ocean, such as depth, surface, and temperature. If you guys love to learn about history, you guys can go to Atlantic Ocean. But if you guys love nature, you guys can go to Indian Ocean. You guys can go with your friends, lovers, or family.